Hello and welcome to the Food Garden, and today we're going to make Kentucky Fried Chicken's coleslaw. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is make the dressing, and we're going to use this bowl. So for the dressing, we have a half a cup of mayonnaise. And after the mayonnaise, we have a third of a cup of sugar. After the sugar, we have 2½ tablespoons of lemon juice. And we have 1½ tablespoons of white vinegar. There's one, and there's the half. Next, we have a ½ teaspoon of salt. There. And we have 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper. And we're going to just sprinkle a little bit in here. There. Next, we have a 1/4 cup of milk. There's a 1/4 cup of milk. And next, we have a 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Okay. And after that, we stir the dressing up. And once we have this stirred up, we will set this to the side and mix the vegetables. There. That's mixed. Now we're going to set this to the side and mix the vegetables. Now, in this bowl, we're going to put 1 medium head of cabbage. And this cabbage, I cut into quarters, 1-inch quarters, and I shredded it in my food processor. This is 1 whole head of cabbage. Next, I have 1/3 of a cup of shredded carrot. I also shredded this in the food processor. And lastly, I have 1 tablespoon of minced onion. I shredded this in a mini food processor. Okay, mix all this up, and then we'll mix our dressing into this. Okay, this is mixed up good. Now we're going to pour our dressing into our coleslaw. And now mix this together. Once this is nice and mixed up, you may transfer this to the serving dish. And there you have it, Kentucky Fried Chicken Coleslaw. And please remember to refrigerate this 2 to 3 hours before you serve. This is best served chilled. Thank you.